5 chicky monkeys bouncing on the bed. One took a tumble and bumped his head. Mama phoned the doctor and what did he say? No more monkeys jumping today. 4 silly monkeys bouncing in a row. One slipped down and shouted, "Oh no!" Mama rang the doctor without delay. No more monkeys jumping today. 3 giggly monkeys bouncing with glee. One flipped over and hurt his knee. Mama called the doctor right away. No more monkeys bouncing today. 2 playful monkeys jumping up high. One missed a step and started to cry. Mama made the doctor call to say, no more monkeys bouncing today. One lone monkey bouncing for fun tumbled down, now there were none. Mama called the doctor, sad to say, no more monkeys jumping today. Rain,
Little John
rain, don't you stay, come again another day. Rain, rain, please go now, come again, just not right now. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, drift away, go to Spain or far off land. Let the sun shine where we stand.
Little Johnny wants to play.